Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Durable, how to create your website for your vintage, vinyl, records and turntables business on Durable Easy and Quick. So first type Durable on the search. So as we know, Durable is a website on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. Also, we know that you can build this website in just 30 seconds with this AI. So first, uh, sign in. Now create business. Enter your business name. Type any business name you want. Now select your industry. Vintage, vinyl records, and turntables. Now enter your location and choose your website language and create business. Now wait a few seconds to generate this website. First, let's go to the first section on the website, the hidden. You can edit it from here. Now, if you want to change the site name, you can change it from here. Also, you can turn this on and replace the company name with the logo. You can upload a file. You can change the label. You can add a link. And here, if you want to edit your social links, you can add a channel. Just select the type of the social link. And here, if you want to add the link, so that's it. If you want to edit the style of the section, you can edit this, the positioning or the social icon, the size, the shape, the spacing, or this or the background. So let's save this. If you want to add the section, you can select any section you want from here. So that's it. Let's move on to the next section, the banner section of the website. You can edit it from here. If you want to change the heading, just click here and it will be changed. The subtext, if you don't like it, just click here and it will be changed. If you want to turn this on and add the label or add the link, you can turn this on, open link in your page. You can edit the style of the section, the banner section, the spacing, if you want to make the top medium or small or large, the bottom also like this, the horizontal alignments, the background. Here if you want to turn this on and make it combine with header. So that's it. Let's move on to the next section. Next section is the gallery section of the website. You can edit it from here if you want to change this. Uh, Also here if you want to generate another image, you can upload image from browser. Here if you want to upload from library, from if you want to pick some image from library, or here for example let's pick some image from here, for example this. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the text section of the website. You can edit this, you can generate text. Here if you want to edit the size or the type of the writing, you can also edit the style of this section. You can edit the alignments or the spacing, the bottom or the background. So let's save it and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the list section of the website. You can edit it from here. Now if you want to change the heading or the display, you can choose what will be displayed for each list item. You can also manage your list items. You can add a list item here if you want to generate image. You can edit the image position. Also if you want to generate the title, you can generate the content. You can edit or manage the type of the or the size of the type of the writing. So let's save this. Here, if you want to edit the style of the section, the alignment or the image, you can edit it from here. The spacing or the vertical alignment or the background. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the testimonial section of the website. You can edit this. You can click here, add a testimonial. Here, if you want to generate a code, you can also generate by who is the code. You can generate image or upload image. Here, if you want to edit the style of this testimonial section, the alignment or the spacing of the background. So let's save it. The next section is the location section of the website. You can edit it from here. Now, if you want to change this, the heading, also the business address, you can change it from here. The additional text files, you can add text files, you can add the title or the content. So that's it. The next section is the contact form section of the website. You can edit this here if you want to generate another contact form. You can also manage files. You can turn this on and custom input labels. You can generate form success message. Here, if you want to edit the style of this section, the spacing or the background or the form alignments. So let's save it. The next section is the footer section of the website. Click here, edit footer. Here, if you want to change the business name, you can also turn this on and replace company name with the logo. Here, if you want to upload a file, you can add additional details. You can add your business address or any other relevant details. Here, if you want to turn this on and add a new label or add external link, you can turn this on and open link in a new page. And also here, if you want to edit your social links, you can add the channel, select the type of the social link, and here add the link like this. So that's it. Here, if you want to turn this on, made with the durable. Also, if you want to edit the style of this section, the type, or the social icon, the size or the shape, the spacing, or the background. So that's it. Let's save this. Now, if you want to regenerate the content or the style of or the entire section, just select anyone you want here. If you want to duplicate the section from here, if you want to move it up or move it down, if you want to delete the section, just click here. Now all you have to do is publish your website and get a free custom domain name. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.